Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Can I wash my Skechers shoes in the washing machine? Information. Machine washable shoes. Any style with the machine washable icon shown on the product detail page can be safely machine washed on the gentle cycle and air dried. We suggest placing them in a pillowcase or laundry bag before washing in machine. Please wash shoes one at a time to avoid discoloration. Mu. 30, 1443 Ah. Can you wash and dry Skechers? Performance shoes. Most Skechers Go Walk and Go Run shoes with non-leather uppers can be safely machine washed. Using a pillowcase or laundry bag to hold both shoes, wash on the gentle cycle and air dry. Do not place shoes in dryer. How do you clean Skechers suede shoes? Apply a suede and nubuck specific rain and stain protectant such as Skechers waterproofing spray before wearing in wet conditions. Use a suede, nubuck cleaning product to clean shoes. Brush with a suede brush for best results. Do not machine wash suede or nubuck shoes.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.